bunker, in a bunker. So I collected my water, see, 5 bottles of water, and this is this crazy tunnel behind me, you see, fucking crazy. And in the end of the tunnel, but on the right side, there's water dropping from the walls and from the ceiling, but there's also a reservoir with the pipe, but you need a special key to open the pipe. But anyway, I do prefer the dropping water because it's moving water, it's not standing water, and in the reservoir there's like standing water. But if you have no patience for the dropping water to fill your bottles or whatever, then maybe it's better that you take some kind of a special key or a ventile and to mount it on the pipe and then open the pipe. Then the water will start flowing down, and then again you close the pipe so that the reservoir stays full. And it seems like somebody is also living there, maybe not really living, but it's possible that some kind of fisherman comes here and leaves its stuff here, and I don't know. But there are many buckets and somebody is really collecting the water. Now I'm going out there, and this bunker is very close to the place called Bojava on the Long Island, or in Croatian Dugi Otok. So we are coming out. I'm coming out from the bunker. The bunker. So you know the bunker, the banks and the bankers who rob the world. So it's similar. A bunker like this one is very similar to any kind of banker, and also it associates me with the river bank and the Big Bang also, Big Bang. But I've not in front of this bunker I found a very tasty and wild rucola growing. You see here this bush, this is wild rucola, this one, and I decided to pick it and make a salad for the lunch because I'm getting hungry, and took my sweet little knife, you see, to pick this rucola. And just a little bit further there I found also blackberries, a big huge bush full of sweet mature blackberries. I'm gonna have a dessert too. Bye bye.